guys, it's Valerie here, so welcome back to my channel again. So in this video I am doing a how to install clip-ins in your natural hair. So this is my natural hair right now. So this morning I woke up, I washed, deep conditioned, blow dried, hot combed, and straightened my hair, and this is my hair. So I desperately need a trim. I just want to let you guys know that this video is not sponsored. They are not paying me to do this. They just send me a hair. But if I really like the hair, or if I'm really interested in the hair, I will try it out, and that's what I'm doing today. I'm trying out this hair. So the company that sent me the hair is Loxxy hair. If you follow me on Instagram, you do know that I had posted a kinky curly clip-in with this same brand from Loxxy hair. This time she sent me these kinky straight clip-ins, and they are in 14 inches, yaki straight in 1B, and I am super excited to show you guys these clip-ins and different things that work with the clip-ins. Okay, so starting out with the clip-ins, I'm gonna unravel the bundles for you guys. So it came with a 1-piece 4 clip-in. It also came with a 2-piece 3 clip-in, and it also comes with a 3-piece 2 clip-in, and then it comes with 1-piece 1 clip-in. So that's how much you get in the whole bundle, like literally. And it's enough to do a head, but if you want a more fuller look, I'd recommend getting 2 bundles. But I like the 1 bundle, so it worked for me. Alright, let's get started. So you guys are gonna see my hair before I add the clip-ins in. I need a trim, said that already, but I'm just gonna take my red scrunchie and I'm gonna tie my hair up so it's easier to part the hair and to make sure everything is flat and not lumpy at all. So you guys, these are my new pajamas, and I love them so much that I'm filming in it. Like, how fucking cool am I? Okay, so I put my hair up into a ponytail. Now I'm just gonna grab a comb and I'm going to part the hair where I need it to be. The parting does not have to be perfect, guys. You can even do the parting with your fingers, but just for accuracy, I just parted it with a comb. Then I'm going to take the 3-piece clip-in and I'm just going to attach it onto the root of my hair and then just clip it down. And then I'm just going to keep doing the same steps. I just want to let you guys know that before I started this video, my hair was bone straight, but it's getting kind of hot, so it's getting kinky, but that's fine because the hair is kinky, so it does not matter. Now I'm just parting the second parting. So this is where the second clip-in is gonna lie. So this is another 3-piece clip-in. That's my last one. And now I'm just going to part my hair like really long. I don't know how to call this, but you're gonna start from your ear to ear, which is going to be the longest clip-in, which is the 4-part clip-in, and then I'm just going to attach that onto the root of my hair, and then we'll get ready for our parting. So while you're in this step, try to decide which parting space that you want, if you want a middle parting, a side parting, or if you want no parting. So that's really important in the clip-in steps. So by now you should have decided which parting you want. I decided on a middle parting because that's just a classic Valerie. Like, literally, I love middle partings, but then occasionally I'll do my side partings. You gotta switch it up because honestly, it's not good to keep parting your hair at the same spot all the time. So now I'm just going to take one of the side partings and I'm going to add the 2 clip-ins over here. And since they only gave me 3, I'm just going to add 1 clip-in onto each side to make it even. And then you guys are going to see what I'm going to do with the last one. So with the last 2 clip-in, I'm just going to part the middle of my hair, like the upper middle, and I'm just going to apply that clip-in in there. And then the last clip-in, I'm just going to add it randomly because there's no other clip-in, you know? And that's how your hair is going to look with all of the clip-ins installed. So like I said, 1 pack is enough for a full head, but if you want to if you want it thicker, I recommend 2 packs. And then just grabbing a scrunchie, you can do a regular ponytail, super cute. And then now I'm going to show you guys how to do a bun with the clip-ins. So you're going to put your hair up and grab the first clip-in that you put in. And then you're going to take the clip-in, clip it out, and then you're going to flip the clip-in upside down. Then you're going to clip it onto the top root of your hair. So just watch the video, it'll make perfect sense. You're doing this because once everything's clipped up and you pull your hair up, you're able to do a bun or a updo. Then you're going to take the clip-ins from the front and you're going to take them out, and then you're going to place them in the middle of your hair. So when you're putting your hair up, it's nice and flat. You're doing this because if you kept the hair parted and on the side, it wouldn't be as smooth and as sleek. So now I'm taking a comb and I'm combing all of the hair back. And then I'm going to get up because I like to do my ponytails like upside down. I don't know why. And I'm just going to take another ponytail and just tie my hair up. And then over here is just another hairstyle. So that's already 2 hairstyles for you guys. Well, 3. And it's super cute. And now I'm going to show you guys how to do a top-notch bun. I don't even know how to say it, but just a cute bun. I'm going to separate the hair into 2 and I'm going to twist them. And then I'm going to wrap it around the scrunchie, and it should look like this. Don't worry guys, it took me 2 tries. Then I'm going to take bobby pins and I'm just going to bobby pin the ends of the hair down so it can stay. And guys, that was like super easy after 2 tries. Then I'm going to take my 2 clips that say Hello Star I got from Burlington Coat Factory, and I'm going to clip it to the front of my hair, and that's basically the video. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye!